Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making sure the thermostat is powered and the screen responds. This is where resets must start. Once done, navigate to Settings on the device itself. You'll use the device menu rather than the app for a full factory reset. Make sure you've noted your Wi-Fi and Google account info because you'll need to reauthorize the device later. If the thermostat is mounted, keep the base steady. Don't remove it during the process to avoid wiring faults. You now perform the actual reset. Open Settings, select Reset, then choose Factory Reset. The device will warn you about losing settings. When prompted, confirm with the dial press or touchscreen OK. This double confirmation prevents accidental wipes. The unit will erase schedules, saved Wi-Fi networks, and learning data. That's why account info matters. Make sure the thermostat stays powered and do not interrupt the reboot. Expect the process to take several. Once the reset completes, you'll reconfigure the thermostat through the Google Home app. Choose Add Device, follow Wi-Fi prompts, and sign into your Google account to relink. If the thermostat doesn't appear, power cycle the unit and your router, then try Discovery again. Many connectivity issues clear with a reboot. If the device reports low power or won't stay on, inspect furnace wiring and the C-wire. Inadequate power prevents setup. If problems persist, consider contacting support with model and firmware details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.